What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Professor Mike here, and we got a package. So we're going to the leasing office right now, and we're gonna see what it is. I ordered something I think you guys are gonna like for the truck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop in the truck right now, and we're going to the leasing office, and we will see what the package is. It's either the headlights or it's the grill lights. So I don't know which one it is, but we're gonna go and take a look. So let's go check it out now. Oh, need a mask. Always need a mask. So it was the grill lights, but not gonna open it yet. It's gonna be a secret, and you guys are gonna find out how it looks. It's gonna be super cool. I'm gonna do a whole installation video on it. But what I'm here for today is, right next to me is a 2018 Lariat special edition. So I'm kind of gonna put my truck side by side so you can see the difference between the STX and a Lariat, and you're gonna see like we basically have the same truck. I'm not even kidding. My truck looks just like a Lariat. That's actually a special edition package, so it may have like different like badge, like colored badges, and they got the stripes and different wheels, stuff like that. But look, take a look right now. So here's the truck side by side. Here's mine. So you can get a quick look, and then let's go to the Lariat, which is right here. So that is the Lariat, and that is mine. Tell me they don't look the same, except for, like you said, he has special edition package, so it's got like stripes and stuff like that on it. So basically the special edition package is, it's like, how do I explain it? So it has everything that a Lariat would have, but it just has like different special features, I guess, on it. That's cosmetic. There's no really performance anything. It's just cosmetic on the outside, the inside. Like, for example, he'll have leather seating, but then he'll have engraved sport edition. It may be called special edition or sport edition, same thing, but it'll say like sport edition or special edition, like engraved into the seat. It has like all the, you know, all the vinyl decals. It's got like the blacked out wheels. Inside, like the gauge will have like a cool dash, and it'll have like a sport tachometer or speedometer in the digital cluster, just like different cosmetic stuff like that. But from the outside, honestly, I think my truck looks better. Leave a like and comment down below what you think. You know, I just feel like they just look the same. It's the same grill. It's the same. It's just a different color. So here's like an up close of what his truck looks like. This is the magnetic gray color. He's got a sliding glass. I don't. He's got a keypad. I don't. He's got the thing where you like put your hand in and it unlocks the door. Mine does not. Just like small things like that. His headlights are kind of darker than mine. But that's about it. So let's stand way back here. And you can see that these things... See what I was talking about when I said the air dam, the chin spoiler on the bottom? Looks so much better with it off. It looks taller. Like my truck looks taller than his because his has that stupid air dam. That's why I took it off. So yeah, like literally side by side trucks. And like I said, I think mine just looks better. That was super cool to see a special edition Lariat like that, because usually they're the XLT special editions, but to see a Lariat in a special edition, that thing's got to be a lot of money, that truck. That's probably going to be, I don't know, Lariats are like $55,000 plus a special edition package, probably like another $5,000 to $10,000. So it's probably like a $60-something thousand truck. And then I got mine for $30,000, and it's the same truck. Looks the same. Looks the same. And so yeah, I saw that, I was like, wow, like let's put these side by side. I think that, I don't know whose truck that is, honestly, but it's definitely a cool comparison to see. Like I said, my truck literally looks like a Lariat. Yeah, the inside is definitely not Lariat material, the inside, but the truck itself definitely looks like a Lariat as I, you know, wanted it to look. So that's all for today, folks. If you have any questions, like, comments, comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I have new videos coming out every single week, and stay tuned as the channel builds and grows. And we're making some good traction, so we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I really need to get that, what's called a mount, so I can put it like right here, so you guys can watch as I drive. So probably gonna pick up that. I need a couple of things. Want to get a tripod, want to get a dash mount, want to get a mic, like a better microphone for like the wind, because sometimes when I'm filming, the wind actually takes away from the noise. Actually takes away from the audio. You just hear a bunch of wind noise. So I want to get one of those little mics that actually blocks the wind out. Anyways, but yeah, so taking this drive is it's really peaceful, especially when you're just bored. You just want to, you know, go out for a drive. Sometimes I just love to just go out. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I just love to just ride around town and just ride around the school. But basically, like I said, the school is a whole circle, so you can start on one end and go all the way around. So we're actually coming up to the dorms now, and then we'll get to the gym, and then we'll get to the front, and then you leave, and it's basically a full circle. So super cool stuff.